Look at this. You know what I'm eating? This is called Panki and it's delicious. I'm going to try it with chutney. Superb. To know the recipe, come along. Hi friends, I am so excited to share this recipe for you because of late I have started enjoying vegetarian food so much, and this is by far one of my favorite vegetarian recipe. It's a Gujarati recipe and it's known as Panki. And if you've not heard about it, now you can watch this video and try it at home, and I'm sure you're going to fall in love with it. So without much ado, let's get started. So first of all, we need to put water for boiling in a pan or a pressure cooker because this is going to be steamed later. Here I have rice flour. To this I'm going to add coriander leaves. I have ginger garlic paste here. This is green chili chutney. You can add green chilies also instead. It's completely up to you. And now I'm going to add a little bit of asafoetida or hing. Just a little pinch is enough. And to this, I'm going to add yogurt or dahi. We'll make a batter, a thick batter, which is spreadable. And to this, I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric powder, and I'm adding the Himalayan salt to it. You can add normal salt as well. Look at this. You can add more turmeric for the color to be more yellow, but I think this is enough. Mix it well so there's no lumps. Smells great. Now, I'm going to brush oil on this banana leaf. So we need to spread a little bit of oil on a banana leaf. This is vegetable oil so that the panki can easily come out, and we'll spread this mixture. Make it as thin as possible because then it'll taste really good. I like it really thin. Now I'm going to place it in a sieve which is going to go inside the steamer, and I'm going to brush another banana leaf which is going to go on top of this. Here we go. So now this is going inside the steamer. I've already put water, there's a base, and we steam it for at least 10 minutes. So our panki is ready. I'm going to take it out of the steamer, and look at that. And it's served with green chilies or chutney. Look at that, it's really thin, it's cooked and look great. This is how they serve. They serve it with green chilies or coriander chutney. And this is Panki. Low cost, yummy dish which is loaded with nutrition, so simple and easy to make and so delicious to eat.